Have you ever heard of the Golden Ram? This ancient tale begins in a land fraught with treachery, where King Athamas ruled with an iron fist. His marriage to the beautiful, yet troubled, Nephele began to unravel. Distrust grew, and when Athamas fell in love with the deceitful Ino, chaos ensued. Ino, desperate to secure her power, plotted against Nephele's children, Phrixus and Helle, seeking to sacrifice them to appease the gods. But fate had a different plan. Nephele, sensing the impending doom, summoned a majestic ram, its fleece shimmering like gold. This divine creature swooped down and rescued her children, whisking them away to safety. As they soared through the skies, Helle fell from the ram's back into the depths of the sea, which now bears her name, the Hellespont. Phrixus, however, reached the land of Colchis, where he sacrificed the ram to Zeus and hung its golden fleece on a sacred oak tree, guarded by a fierce dragon. This legendary fleece became the object of desire, igniting the quest of Jason and the Argonauts. Thus, the Golden Ram's legacy lives on, intertwining courage, sacrifice, and the eternal struggle between loyalty and betrayal.